At number 2, we have the Sportiva TX4 Evo. This is our runner-up pick and is a standout approach shoe that excels in durability, traction, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for technical terrain and long hikes. Its Vibram Megagrip outsole, featuring a climbing zone at the toe and multi-directional lugs, provides exceptional grip on both wet and dry surfaces, including rock, mud, and snow. The impact brake system enhances control during descents on loose or steep terrain, offering confidence in challenging conditions. Constructed with a durable nubuck leather upper reinforced by a full rubber rand, the TX4 Evo is built to withstand rugged use. The leather naturally resists water effectively, allowing it to handle wet brush or light snow without compromising breathability. While it lacks a dedicated waterproof membrane, water beads off the surface well unless fully submerged or exposed to deep snow. This balance of water resistance and breathability makes it suitable for varied climates. The midsole combines stiffness with moderate flexibility, providing excellent support for scrambling and technical hikes while maintaining comfort over long distances. The shoe's ability to edge on small footholds and smear on slabs rivals that of climbing shoes, making it an excellent choice for those tackling mixed terrain. The leather upper conforms to the foot over time, delivering a snug fit without pressure points or hot spots. One of the shoe's key strengths is its durability. The TX4 Evo is designed for longevity, with features like resoling capability and high-quality materials that resist wear even after extensive use. Whether you're navigating rocky trails or embarking on multi-day treks, this shoe offers a dependable combination of comfort, grip, and protection.